This is Molly's world. Every detail is crafted by hand. I'd love this bouquet.
Of course.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
Molly, congratulations. You just recorded your revenue.
Already?
Yes. In cash accounting, we record income when we actually receive the money. Molly. A few days later, Molly receives her electricity bill.
So, do I record this expense today?
Not yet. You haven't paid the bill, so don't record the expense. For income, record it when cash comes in. For expenses, record them when cash goes out.
So cash accounting follows the money.
Exactly.
Cash accounting is commonly used by small businesses with simple day-to-day transactions and straightforward cash flow.
Coffee shops, barber shops, photographers, freelancers, and local bakeries.
Cash accounting isn't about when you make a sale. It's about when the money actually changes hands. I'm Tiny Accountant, making accounting simple, one tiny story at a time.